Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best non-slip bath mats for babies in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Grip Patented Bathtub and Shower Mat. The Gorilla Grip Original Non-Slip Bath Mat is available in 16 colors, including navy, turquoise, and sky blue opaque. It features 324 suction cups that keep it in place on any clean surface, so it's not only perfect for the bathroom, but also for spas and the gym. Being 35 inches by 16 inches or 88 centimeters x 40.6 centimeters, this mat is large enough to not leave any area exposed in the bathtub. In addition, it doesn't allow mold to develop beneath it because it has small holes that allow the water to circulate. The Gorilla Grip Original Bath Mat is antibacterial and resistant to mildew. It doesn't smell and can be cleaned in the washing machine, so it can always look fresh and just like new. In order to prevent it becoming slippery and oily after soap and shampoo get on it, it should be rinsed and dried. Number 2. Our second best pick is Epica Anti-Slip Machine Washable Bath Mat. The Epica Anti-Slip Machine Washable Bath Mat is made from rubber and built to offer safety and comfort, as well to last for a very long time. It has a textured surface and doesn't get damaged after being used repeatedly, for many years. Featuring hundreds of powerful suction cups, this mat stays in place no matter if it's in the bathtub or in the corner shower. Besides this, it repels soap and shampoo, so it doesn't matter what's being poured on it, it's sure to remain non-slippery. It's very easy to clean the Epica Anti-Slip Machine Washable Bath Mat by tossing it into the washing machine. After it's cleaned, this mat looks as good as new. Further, it has antibacterial properties and can't grow any moss, mildew, or mold. Number 3. Our third best pick is YINENN Bathtub Shower Mat 40 by 16 inch Non-Slip. The YINENN Non-Slip Latex-Free Bath Mat features 200 suction cups and stays in place when put on a smooth surface. It's available in 4 colors: clear, blue, green and light blue. Its suction cups offer a strong grip, but only if not placed in acrylic bathtubs with a textured surface. Measuring 40 inches by 16 inches or 101.6 centimeters x 40.6 centimeters, this mat can cover the entire floor of a large tub. Besides, it has small holes that allow the water to run through it, which means it doesn't stay wet for long after being used. The YINENN Non-Slip Bath Mat is made from vinyl and not with latex or BPA. It doesn't smell of chemicals and isn't toxic. Having a pebble design, it gently massages the body and makes the bathing experience more pleasurable. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Yimobra Extra Long Non-Slip Bath Mat. The Yimobra Extra Long Non-Slip Bath Mat offers maximum coverage because it measures 40 inches by 16 inches or 101.6 centimeters x 40.6 centimeters. It features 200 suction cups that help it stay in place on smooth surfaces. Available in 8 colors, including black and clear purple, it completes any bathroom decor and looks good in the gym too. It benefits from being free from latex, BPA, and phthalate, so it's not toxic and doesn't smell. This mat is machine washable, so it's very easy to maintain. The Yimobra Non-Slip Bath Mat can't be placed on a textured surface, and shouldn't be used when bathing with oils because it can become slippery. Treated with antibacterial agents, it's safe to use for bathing small children. It's resistant to moss, mold, and mildew and doesn't need to be dried after each use. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SONGZIMING Pebble Anti-Slip Bath Mat. The SONGZIMING Pebble Anti-Slip Bath Mat is available in 4 colors: clear, clear blue, black, and beige. It's strongly adhesive because it features 200 suction cups that help it stay in place in the tub or shower. This means it never moves, even if pushed. Made from PVC, this mat is latex-free and not manufactured with any toxic materials. It's also easy to clean because it's machine washable. This means it can be washed with towels and dried by being hung for half an hour. The SONGZIMING Pebble Anti-Slip Bath Mat is 35 inches by 16 inches or 88.9 centimeters x 40.6 centimeters. However, it can be easily cut to any length or shape in order to match the decor. Its design is faux rocks, with holes in between them, so it allows water to circulate. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.